Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online class for May 2021. In this class, we will be creating 6 beautiful handmade cards plus 1 bonus card using the Friends Are Like Seashells stamp set and its coordinating dies, Seaside Shell dies. I'm excited to share these cards with you today. You can find these cards in the Stampin Up January through June catalog or online. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com. The direct link is below in the description. Let's go ahead and see these cards now. Here are the cards we will be making in this class. I love how they turned out with all the layers and textures. Plus, I will be teaching some new and fun techniques with both the stamp set, dies, embossing folder, and ribbon. Don't miss this class and sign up today. This is the fun bonus card. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. The class will run for 2 weeks in May from the 17th through the 28th. The fee is $30 and it's paid through PayPal. You do not need to have a PayPal account to pay. You can register and sign up through my blog, creativechelsea.com. and the direct link is in the description below. Registration for this class ends on May 1st, and you need to sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. The kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit will include pre-cut card bases, and cardstock, envelopes, 6 6x6 sheets of Sand and Sea Designer Series paper, a full roll of fine art ribbon, a full package of the metallic pearls, and a surprise thank you gift. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 7 Facebook Live sessions, 1 for each card, scheduled during the 2 weeks. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group, so you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with a written PDF with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog as well. You will need the Friendship Are Like Seashells bundle, and that includes the stamp set and the Seaside Shells dies. And when you purchase them as a bundle, you can save 10%. You will also want the Seashells 3D embossing folder. So this is just a really fun embossing folder that coordinates with both the stamp set and the dies. So you'll want to have that as well. You will need to have 5 different ink colors. They are Blushing Bride, Sahara Sand, So Saffron, Mossy Meadow, and Misty Moonlight. And then we'll be doing some fun watercolor techniques, and so you'll want to have water painters or something equivalent. Here are also some tools that you will need for this class. You will want to have a paper trimmer, possibly a stamparatus. You will want to have your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine with all its coordinating plates so that you can use both the 3D embossing folder as well as the dies with it. And then you'll want just your favorite crafting tools. such as a stamp cleaner, your adhesives, bone folder, take a pick tool, a good pair of scissors for ribbon, some paper snips, clear blocks, and anything else that you may want to craft with. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.